Yeah, I used to think silence was peace. Turns out silence just echoes louder when you're scared to speak. Every voice in my head sounds like me, and that's the part that hurts the most. I built walls just to feel safe, then blame the world when they try my fate. I ran fast but the mirror ran too. You can't escape the version of you. Pressure on my chest, I call it growth. Pain is currency and I pay both. They said trust the process, I said sure, while the process turned my soul to war. And I've been walking through my doubts, trying not to burn out loud.
I rise without a sound. Through the storm I stand my ground. Every scar I found is a crown I've earned somehow. The fire tried to drown me out, but I rise
Without a sound. Truth hurts, yeah, but lies decay. And I got tired of running away. Every no I heard became a key, unlocking the pain inside of me. See, I used to pray for peace of mind. Now I pray just to stay alive. It's not about winning anymore, it's learning how to love the war. The fear don't leave, it learns to wait. You don't kill the dark, you integrate. Maybe broken isn't bad at all. Maybe I was built to fall. Without a sound. Yeah. You don't need noise to prove you're strong. Sometimes the loudest victory is just moving